Hey, welcome to the Flint and Genesee Business Bridge Training Series. This series is designed to help entrepreneurs of all sizes in every aspect of business. My name is Eric Hulkran, Director of Brand Strategy and Social Media for MLive. And today we're going to be talking about what you should be thinking about when thinking about social media. The very first thing I want you to think about as we head into 2024 when we're talking about social media is not about yourself. The pieces of content that you're putting out into the world are designed to help the consumer, the customer, the person you are trying to get to move, not about you. So these pieces cannot be self-reflecting or selfish. They have to help the person who is consuming them. So we always have to think with the consumer in mind. Where are they at this exact moment, and how can my product save them time, energy, money, whatever it is your product does? We have to solve a question that they might not have already even thought about. And when they do, we arrive and they take an action. The second thing I want you to think about is AI. Every marketer on the planet is telling you AI, AI, AI. That's not exactly the angle here. What I want you to do is play with it, to understand it, to know perhaps where it's going. Maybe you're not going to use it right now. You have no way to get AI to optimize any part of your business. That is fine. It is here. It's going to be a thing. So very similar to TikTok, when many people were like, that's not going to be a thing. And now it's everything. AI is a bigger shift than that. AI is like the dawn of the internet. AI is like the Gutenberg press. AI is going to take us to places we aren't aware of yet. So now is the time to play around with it. Even if you want it to teach you chess, whatever that is, I would spend some time learning AI to figure out if it can help your business, or more importantly, your customer. The next thing I want you to think about is getting on camera. I have a dear friend who is convinced the ability to do this, talk to camera, is as important as typing was back in the 80s. Remember when you used to take typing tests? This is that typing test. Your ability to get on camera and deliver a message to get a consumer to move, to take an action, is a skill set that cannot be replicated if you are good at it. And if you're not the one who's good at it, look around you. Somebody in your organization is going to be good at it, and you should get them on camera this year. The final thing I want to leave you with is the idea that we need to have a plan, but know when to get off the plan. What do I mean by that? What I mean is know where you're going to go. If you are a small team, posting on social media as regularly as you need to can be a Herculean lift. So let's come up with a plan to take large pieces of content and break them into micro pieces, to reuse evergreen content that we can use again and again and again to answer the customer's questions. Let's do all of those things and leave some space in our head for when things happen in culture, because pop culture is a cheat code to getting to the consumer faster. And if you have space in your marketing and social plan for the variable of pop culture, that will serve you very well as we head into a new year. So have a plan. You absolutely need to have a plan. The smaller the team, the better the plan that you're going to need, because you don't have much wiggle room in your day-to-day hourly work. But also carve some time in for the variable of pop culture and leverage that so that you can get to know your customer better and have an amazing day. Thanks for the time.